Hey you guys, we are in the kitchen and we are about to make a chicken Philly wrap. Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, so we are going to be using chicken, peppers, mushrooms, onions, a wrap that I like to use. Alright, we are going to cook down our chicken breast until it's brown and tender. We are going to cook down our vegetables where it's not too crunchy. The next thing we are going to do is combine our chicken and our vegetables together. Alright, let's prepare our wrap. You can use whatever condiments you like. Add your cheese. And then once you have all your condiments on your wrap, go ahead and add your chicken and of course your vegetables. Alright, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Go ahead and wrap your chicken Philly. You can share with a family member. Just be careful when cutting it in half. You guys enjoy! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.